What is going on, my peoples? Whew. So ready to do some fishing today, guys. I'm about to get out here, maybe 30 minutes, 45 at the most. Have to go get the kiddos. Decided I'll just stop off, fish one of my favorite ponds. So guys, let's just see if we can get us a fish or two. Another major. All right. Woo! Pressure on him. Nice. It's a decent bit bass. Oh, don't get off. Oh yeah. That's a good fish right here. Every bit of 3. Still got some fight in him. Yes, sir. That's what I came out here for today, guys. A nice fish just like this right here. Gosh, man. So I thought I was coming across the branches. When I caught him, there's some branches that stick out in the water right at that little peak right there with the turtle sticking his head out. And I thought he was, I was bringing my bait over there, but I saw my line running. So I said, hey, it's not running because of me. So, once again, guys, my scale for some reason is in kilograms, so I have to convert it over to pounds. But it's going to be bigger than my last one, which was 2.31. This is a 119, so I can already know that it's bigger than my last one. Cool beans. I will put that conversion on the screen as well. And now I'm going to go ahead and get it back in the water. That was another fish right there. Get him back in the water. Or maybe that's not a fish. Might be a turtle. Anyways, yeah, let's get this big girl back in the water. Thanks for that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful catch. I'm going to name you after my daughter today with her beautiful self, Kylan. So get back in there, big girl. Ooh, Kylan, okay. Woo. Another good one, guys. Another nice fish. I cannot complain. Cannot complain. He's going to be pushing 2, I'm pretty sure. Let's go ahead and get a quick weight on him, just to be on the safe side. All right, 0.74, he's gonna be close to a pound, or right at a pound. All right, guys, that was a very, very beautiful catch. Nice, another good fish. I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. I'm gonna name this one after my oldest son, Chase. Chase, I appreciate you for everything you do for me, son. I love you. And as far as this fish, get back in there and get bigger. Go ahead, Chase. Y'all seen Chase. Oh yeah. Woo! Dang it. He had it, guys, but I missed him. It's big, whatever it is, guys. Oh man, it's a stick. What in the world? That didn't feel like what I caught. That wasn't it just now. And there's no way. There's no way. He was fighting back and pulling and going another way. They say them fish stick will get you, man. That had to been about a 3-pounder. I gotta redo my line, man. It is beat up, starting right there. So I'll get back with you guys. Oh man. Well, guys, he was still right there. All right, guys. So as you can see, I got another little bass. Nothing major, but a catch is still a catch. All right, guys. That was a fun little catch. I'm not gonna get a weight on him, he's pretty small. So I'm gonna just give him a nice little toss back, right where he came from. Thank you for that nice little catch, little man. I'm gonna name you after my baby boy, 7. I appreciate that fun. Get back in there, 7. All right now. All right now. Woo! Well, Sky Heads, I'm done for the day. Caught 3 nice bass. I guess 2 nice was in a little. Anytime your thumb look like that, freaking awesome day. So guys, hey, that's all for me. About to get home, chill out with the wife, chill out with the kiddos, and probably just you know, try to stay quarantined. So guys, I'll try to get back at a later date. Don't know when, but I'll try to get back out at a later date. Whew. I love you, Scott Heads. You all take it easy.